welcome to a new day. I mean, it is like 6:15, so it's Saturday. We popped to the water park today. I didn't take the camera, we didn't take the GoPro. We've chosen this holiday to kind of have water park days as a complete non-filming day. I think it's hard in the water parks to know what to film. We also have been absolute rubbish at vlogging this holiday. We've kind of literally just picked the camera up as we wanted to, which is kind of what we do. We're not here, we're not professionals at this. This is just literally us capturing our holiday memories, and for me to be able to look back and do that emotional mummy thing as I see my little girl grow up and do things, and for you to look back on. So yeah, but we have now picked the camera up, so we are heading into Epcot for some dinner. We are going to go to, I'll think of the name in a minute, Sam Eagle's Regal Eagle Smokehouse.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
So yeah, we went to Typhoon Lagoon, popped into Disney Springs. I bought, late to the party as usual, the Uniqlo crossbody bags. I bought two. I bought the large quilted one, and I bought in black, and I bought a small pink one. However,
no, I didn't.
I've lost the small pink one already. I haven't lost it.
You have lost it. She has been.
I mean, trying to learn how to get into 2 or 3 bags, so when we don't have a buggy, I suppose we're learning. She's got to carry her own stuff. I mean, she is only carrying Stitch, Perry Independence and some glow sticks, but you know, it's a start.
I like, because I'm not that good on very heavy stuff.
So yeah, we are heading into Epcot. We do plan to try and see the fireworks this evening, so
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your steps.
come on then. Regal Eagles. James has got the barbecue burger. I've got the pulled chicken burger. Madison's got some watermelon and she's going to have some fries. I think Jay has just gone to get some sauce. We finished in Regal Eagles and then we walked over to the Germany Pavilion to stop in at Carol Couch. We got a chocolate cookie sandwich, and now Jay has found us a spot in Morocco to watch the fireworks. We have a little bench to sit on, Spaceship Earth is just lit up. So yeah, hopefully it should be a nice spot to watch it from. So where are we? And who are you dressed as? And what does she do here?
So probably going to Topolino.
What? Oh, I've steamed up, but all the way up there?
Yep, all the way up.
Would you like to meet her for breakfast?
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let's go!
Oh, there we go. So thank you. She's drawn you a ballet bar. Okay.
I feel like you're because I'm in this. It'd be
If you're celebrating something special today, get your voices ready, because we're gonna sing a song for you! Buongiorno, beautiful Topolino square. Topolinos, you can be no matter what the reason you have joined us, come out of place to celebrate.
So take some photos. We have just had breakfast at Topolino's. I'm not gonna lie, looking at the menu and the price, I was a little bit like, we'll go for the character experience, it'd be lovely. And it was lovely, don't get me wrong, the character experience was lovely.
Yeah.
But the food was amazing.
Yeah, it was really, really good.
It was really nice.
Potatoes were lovely.
Alison loved the potatoes. Not that she had potatoes on her breakfast, but they were lovely potatoes, so. She had the Mickey Dipper waffles. I'll put the footage in so you will have seen. But yeah, it was a really nice breakfast.
It was very, very nice food. So characters really, really good. I think they got a little bit more time.
A little bit more
table to
space
table.
as well.
Yeah.
We did work out that we had Madison in the wrong place to get the best photos, so we did have to do a bit of a table switcheroo just so that we weren't backlit for all of her photos, but I think we got there. And Donald loved her in her Daisy outfit. But yeah, it is a slightly longer experience. It was a 65-minute, they say 65 minutes, and we were probably there for that as well.
Yeah.
And then we stepped out onto the balcony and looked out over like the Riviera Resort, Caribbean Beach, and then saw the 3 parks, and yeah. It was very peaceful, very beautiful, and that is a stunning resort. Oh, hang on, Madison would like to speak.
So they got Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios.
Oh, that's the 3 parks you can see from the balcony, isn't it? We are now heading to Epcot. We're going to hit some more characters up, get some more character meet and greets done. We still need to ride Spaceship Earth.
Yes.
Is there anything else we wanted to do? I forgot to get Guardians. Well, I wasn't really up in time to be with it enough, so if we're in at 1 o'clock we may try and get an afternoon group, but then that probably won't be till this evening, so we'll see how it goes. To be honest, we've really enjoyed our last couple of days of just slowing right down and mooching around.
Pack your pack.
So we've come in from the International Gateway. It doesn't look like Daisy's meeting, but it looks like Alice is coming down. But I think that might be the end of her bit, okay? We will see her. We will see Alice, don't panic. Just like at home.
That next door, babe.
Yeah. Who'd you miss? What? Who? We'll be home soon. Okay.
What's that for?
I think Winnie the Pooh meets over there. I'm just trying to find it.
I was thinking that perhaps you could join me Wonderland sometime, and we'll have a tea party together with the Mad Hatter and the March Hare. And perhaps we could even fly on the bread and butterflies. We can have a biscuit to make us grow very small, and we can fly around. How does that sound? Yes? That was just love me. Oh, you have an apron too, don't you? I was thinking about embroidering some flowers on it. What do you think? Or I could put my cat Dinah on it.
Okay, do you want Alice to sign your book?
Yes, of course.
There we go.
Oh, how lovely! Did you draw that? No?
Who drew it?
Now, this must have taken you several cups of creativity then, didn't it? And that's the Tickle Me Pink Flamingo. Now, would you like my name there? Or which way is it supposed to be? Like this?
Yes.
So perhaps I could put my name right there?
There, my dear. I do love your beautiful blue dress. Perhaps maybe you must have been my dear Merryweather who made your lovely dress.
Yeah.
We the drew me together. Sometimes I do hope that maybe next time I can wear a dress to match all of you. What's most lovely? Seems that something must have been given to her to tell the party. Oh, I am thinking maybe something. Did you pick it out yourself too? You did. Perfect for going dancing. We have a beautiful one with a chandelier and 12 glass windows. So that when it snows outside, you can see the snow. Is that okay? So you like colored pencils? Is that your favorite that you like to use? These are so beautiful. What's your favorite thing you like to draw?
Characters.
So much. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. I hope to see it in the library. Maybe illustrate a story with me. Maybe two, right? As long as it's
Oh, so very
We're coming to Club Cool, we're bravely trying all the drinks.
I tried that one.
Madison likes the royal watermelon. Oh, Daddy's going for a Beverly.
Well, get your hand out of it then.
I love my medicine sarcasm.
That's like drinking soap. Oh.
Yeah, you want to start watching other people's vlogs, you know not to try that one. Which one have you gone for? What? You don't like that one? Daddy, you like that one, didn't you?
That was alright.
You don't like that?
Is that good banana in that?
You don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'm trying to
Because I didn't get Clean Club. This is Sprite from Russia and Royal from the Philippines. Madison's going for Country Club. Cucumber Cucumber Sprite's not bad.
Which one, sorry?
Cucumber Sprite.
Yeah, it's not as bad as you did, is it?
I thought that was nice. Okay, I'm trying.
I mean, not enough that I can finish a whole cup.
That tastes like
I mean,
it tastes like regular cucumber, but fizzy.
it tastes like a fizzy cucumber.
This way, try feeding
You want to try that one? Go on then.
Is that one fizzy?
I don't know, you have to try it and find out. Go on then. Is it nice or bad? You're not sure? You better not be tricking me.
Oh, I'm telling you. See, that's good.
So I think that tastes like medicine, but... Go, one more then. Pick one more.
I'm scared.
Anyone, pick one you like.
I'm not doing that one. I know that tastes like soap.
Oh, someone Beverly didn't know what Beverly was. Oh, Maddie, you're going brave. Go on, try it. Try it. Step out the way. You like that one? Tastes like barbecue.
I'm going to give that to Dad.
I don't know if he'll try it.
You don't mind us like you do.
Go. Right, away from the merch.
No.
Okay, well if you're not going to drink it, go and put it in the bin. What did you just try? And was it nice? No. Side as well. Have we come on the Nemo ride because it's a 5-minute queue and air conditioning?
Yes. Yes, you
We have. We've done another day of meeting characters and I will chuck in what we've got. Haven't done any rides, this will be our first ride of the park. Oh god, I've got contact lenses to use off. I did get a boarding group for Guardians at the 1 o'clock drop. It should be about 4 o'clock, but it is creeping forward. Madison still wants to do Spaceship Earth. Jay wants to look for a hat, and I want to look in the creation shop. So I think that's the next couple of hours
to kill in here.
Yeah. And then we're thinking of stopping by Riviera for some dinner again, because we really like it in Riviera, don't we?
We do.
We do.
Someone's angling.
This is my princess pose. Will it get me what I want?
No.
He even took a picture of some DVC ears to give him the hint.
Still no.
Wait till you see the reel I sent you on Instagram.
Still gonna be no.
I'm blue.
You needed to marry better, that's all I'm gonna say.
DVC is in my future, I promise. I mean, he might not be here and it might be his life insurance
That's probably
paying
a
for
fair
it,
comment.
but it's in my future. Get the hair's gone up, I got hot.
Yeah.
Madison's
I've been
on,
trying that all holiday.
Madison's on outfit number 3 and she's obsessed with Dory, so all we're going to have now is just keep swimming. Daddy got himself a new hat.
Yeah, I did.
Madison, how do you feel about Daddy's new hat?
Down.
We can be bucket hat besties.
She
Bucket.
Madison hates her bucket hat, and I think she hates her father wearing a bucket hat even more than her own bucket hat.
This hat is now mine.
We are going to go find the buggy, and then we were going to head to Spaceship Earth, which is showing a 5-minute wait. And then probably about another hour till our boarding group is called. So I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe spend some time in Creation Shop. Spend a bit more money. It's a little bit wet.
Like definitely.
Our Guardians group has been called, but the queue's out the door, so we waiting. We managed to get on Guardians, we got September, everyone was happy. We've come out, it's not as wet, so we are making our way to the skyline, and we just need to try and see if it's open. I'm assuming it is because there's no thunder or lightning at the moment, so fingers crossed that's on, and we are going to jump over to Riviera for some tea. I am starving. Although we've had some snacks, we haven't eaten since breakfast. Feels like a long day. We haven't done a day like this for a while. So there's a little mac on. We are hungry. We have loved the Riviera food, so we're gonna go back there.
Chance to go back and give that another go.
Yeah.